Hi, I'm an occupational therapist here at RWJBarnabas Medical Center. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a hip kit after a joint replacement or a spine surgery. So first you'll use the sock aid to put your sock on. Take your sock and put it over the plastic piece all the way up until you reach the white knots at the end. Make sure the sock is not flopping and it's tight to the device. Also make sure the toe line is straight. Then you will hold the black handles and toss the device down to the floor. Put your foot in the hole and pull up so that the plastic piece comes off and the sock stays on. Then you will use the reacher to put on your pants. Grab the corner of your pants and toss the pants to the floor. Always remember to dress your affected leg first. So that's the surgical side. Pull the pants up using the grabber. Once you can reach it without bending forward and breaking that 90-degree precaution, you can pull it up with your hands. Then you can put your other leg in as normal, or you can go ahead and use the reacher on the other side as well. Use the dressing stick with the hook that points down to the floor, put it behind your heel and push your sock off until it comes all the way off. Lastly, you will use the shoehorn to help put your sneaker on. Put the shoehorn by the heel of your foot and put your foot in and push down and slide the shoehorn out.